Alright, so today we are going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Yeezys, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Day and Night by Kid Cudi. Just a classic song. Go listen to it. And yeah, let's take a look at these shoes. Alright, so obviously we are going to be taking a look at the 450s, but before I show you guys the shoe, I just wanted to show you guys the box real quick. It's basically just a regular Yeezy box, except it's like half the size, and that's just for like the environment, and the shoe is really like small, so you know it's gonna fit in like a smaller box. So I feel like it's really nice that they did make a smaller box, and it's better for storage obviously if you do keep the boxes. And other than that, we just have the shoe. We have the 450s, man. I got these for retail, and I'm really happy I got them for retail. And here's the thing, I'm not even gonna cap, these are ugly. They're ugly, bro. Like, has to be one of the ugliest shoes, but I don't know what it is. I love this shoe. I love how ugly it is, and bro, I don't even know if I could wear this, to be honest, just because it's so wild. Like, what can I wear with this? Like, just like an all black fit and just let the shoes talk? Like, I don't know. This really like makes you want to experiment with like your fashion and all that, because I really can't wear this with what I wear now. I feel like if the black pair does come out, there is supposed to be an all black pair. I am gonna be able to wear that one a lot easier than this, but this pair is really hard. Just so you guys do know, it actually doesn't come with boost or anything, so retail was $220. I took out the insole, and here it is. It's just an ultralight insole. Nothing too crazy. We do have the tag here. Let me show you guys. I got a size 10. With sizing, I suggest going up half a size minimum. If you have narrow feet, go up half a size, and if you have wide feet like myself, go up a full size. These are a size 10 and they fit perfect. Like, this shoe is comfortable. I already tried it on, so I know like the sizing and everything. This shoe is comfortable and it fits really well if you go up a full size if you have wide feet. Like, for me, this shoe fits absolutely perfect. I also do want to point out that this shoe is extremely easy to put on. Like, I was genuinely surprised. I was expecting to struggle for a minute, you know, but it's really easy. Like, this has to be one of the easiest Yeezys to actually put on feet. Oh, I also do want to point out that the Ortholite insole does say flip under, so that's, you know, so the text and stuff doesn't wear away as you wear it, and it will just go under there. I feel like that's common sense though. Like, I was gonna do that even if it didn't say flip under. I don't know, that's just me though. Right now these shoes go for around $400, maybe some sizes hitting that $350 mark. Do I think you should pick this shoe up? Personally, I don't know, to be honest. I feel like it is going to drop a little bit more. I feel like if they do drop to that $300 mark, you should definitely pick them up. And I feel like these are going to age very well. By that, I mean in the future, these are going to be worth, I would say, around $500-600. But I do want to point out also that there is going to be a restock of these eventually later this year. And there is going to be the all black pair, which I believe is going to go for more money than these. In case you guys are wondering though, materials, they're really good. It's like a nice sock material right here. Really, like, I was expecting it to be like Ultra Boost material, but no, it's like really like thick. Like, it's not like Ultra Boost or like regular Yeezy material. It's like a lot more thick. You also have like this foam material right here, which is a little harder than the foam runner. So if you have those, it's just a little bit more rough. And then you also have the outsole right here. It's just a hard material. Here, I'm gonna like knock on it. See, like, it's pretty hard. Like, when you are walking, it isn't gonna like rip the whole thing right here. And that's something I was genuinely afraid of, because I didn't know it had this bottom part right here. I just thought it was like this foam material. So I'm really happy that they included this outsole right here, because if not, it would have definitely like ripped apart, just like this foam part will eventually be if you like drag it against the cement like that. So yeah, here, let me put these shoes up right on the Yeezy box and spin them around for you guys. case you guys are wondering. Also, the laces are absolutely useless on this shoe. They do nothing. It doesn't make the shoe any much tighter or anything. They're just there because I'm assuming Kanye thought that people would think these are more ugly without the laces, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. Right here on the laces, it has like little loops. So if you do take the laces out, I think it looks even more ugly without the laces. But I feel like if it didn't have the little loops, it might look a little bit better. So yeah, let me spin the shoes around for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about the 450s. Let me know if you guys were able to get a pair. I know these were extremely hard, so I'm super blessed I was able to get these for retail. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.